Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to deploy on Netlify using the GitHub, and this will be a one-time process. After that, the builds part, the React build, and the deployment part will be handled by Netlify only. Whenever you will commit to your Git repository. So first of all, we have to create a Git repo. If you don't know, you can just go to GitHub and create new, and then you have to specify that your repo is public or private and the name, and then you will be seeing this screen. So first of all, we have to do the git init part in the repository. We have to deploy the so first of all, I show you that this repository doesn't contain git yet. So first we'll do the git init, and then we have to add all the files. So the git add, and the dot means to push all the files in the staging part, and then we have to commit these files, and then we have to specify the branch to now we will be committing in main branch. Then we have to initialize the remote repository. It's initialized, so then we have to push the changes. So it's easy. GitHub provides all the steps. So once it's pushed, you have to just reload this, and as you can see, my files are here. So then we need to go to the Netlify. Then you need to select add new site, then import an existing project. We are using GitHub for this, so select the GitHub part, and I am authorized, as you can see. So my all the repositories are listed here. So my repo, which I just created, where it is, food ordering. I just lost it. Let's go to next page. Okay, so this is I'm sorry. So it's on main branch. It will ask you which branch you do you want to deploy. If you have some other branch like production main, you need to be professional. So you can select those. I am selecting main here, and the base directories. And if you want to use some environmental variables in the deployment, which you want to use every time when the Netlify create your builds, so you can specify it here. Like I specified for this site, like I want a specific node version to be used to install all the dependencies. So I specified like 16.6.6 use this version. So you can add your environmental variables here. So now I'm doing the deploy or anime, deploy the repo. So the deployment is started. As you can see, it's building from the main branch, and it will take half a minute. So as you know, React in React you have to create a specific build compiled by Babel. So you need to create that build, and you need to upload it manually in the Netlify. Some people do it. Even I did it when I didn't know this part. So it's deploying, and you can see like what's going on. Like it will install all the dependencies in your project from package.json, and then create build and then deploy. It will do all by itself. The flags with it, and the version, it's a Netlify version, sorry. So it will also specify the node version used. I didn't specify the node version to install this. So it's I think it's in building process, in progress. So in the meantime, I let you know, like this is the site we are going to deploy. It's a normal site of anime I created last year. So it's normal, like it shows anime details. So whenever it's like it's a search bar here. It's a placeholder. So I will show you how to change how it will Netlify work behind the scenes. 1 minute. The deployment is failed due to some issues. Processor CI is true. Most here will set it automatically. So I need to specify like this process.ci part. I will make it. Uh, Okay, so I got the issue. I forgot to specify in the build process, if we do the CI part, it will treat the warnings as errors. So you have to specify the build command. This is using Netlify. So you need to change this to npm run build to CI false. If we do this false, it will not treat warning set as errors. So we will save this and then we'll go to deploys, and then we'll just retry the latest branch commit. So it's starting again. Let's see if it goes well. So I'll come up with when it's done. Okay, so it's deployed. It took 1 minute of almost. So I'll open the production deploy. So you can change this, and this is now working live. So if I'll change something like in the sidebar, if I change something, maybe what should I change? Like if this 2022, I'll change this to 2024. You can see that here it is. Maybe something. Yeah, where did I use this? Okay, so it's reloading. With 1 minute. Okay, so these animes are my favorite. Attack on Titan, Full Metal, Bleach. All these animes are good. So it's here 2024. So if I just uh, use this 2024 here, and it's 2022, so it will uh, see. I think it's used somewhere else. Maybe 1 minute. Yeah, here. So I'll just make this 2024, and as you can see here, it's no, actually my PC is a little bit slow. So it's 2024 here. So now if I commit these changes, like if I commit these changes and branch minor change, oh, change spelling is wrong, but that's okay. So if I post it, so it's done. So you can see here it automatically started the redeployment of the site. So when it's done, my 2024 changes will be reflected here automatically. I don't need to create builds and nothing. And that changed the CI part. I specified it here. The build command, we have to change the build command. Here it is, the build command. We have to specify the CI equals to false, where we do run npm run build. Otherwise, your warnings will be treated as errors. So I should have figured out it earlier, but it's okay. So here's how you deploy a site on. So it's deployed, I think. Yeah, yes, it's deployed. So now we can see the latest changes here. So as you can see, it's 124 here. So that's how you deploy. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and that's all from my side.